So in the manual, it shows here, you got to cut the wire, and then you're going to push them together. You're going to push A to B together, and then you're going to have your battery ready to go. So we got to go ahead and cut that, and we're going to do that right now. We're going to grab some scissors. These should work. Got some scissors. That should work right there. Snip it. Bam. Right, this is separated. Now this one here, you can see, has to go into this thing here. And it's got to go a specific way. And it gives you a little thing here that shows your B and your A. And so that shouldn't be too hard. And I think I should probably bring it over the top here to do it. And here this goes in there. So let's just take a look at both of them. Right, that doesn't look too hard. It's got this little latch, so it probably has to go there. That kind of slides into it. So that keeps you from basically screwing it up. So I think this is on the, oh, I guess no, it doesn't matter. They're both on one side. So I'm going to double check and read the manual a little bit. It says just to take this, and we're going to slide it right in on there like that. And we're just going to push it. And it snaps. And that's it, apparently. All right. Hopefully we did it right. I don't know. We'll find out when we try to start it. All right, like I said, it's best to read this dang thing, so I'm kind of going over it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on this generator.